I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, December 10th, 2025. KHSC has announced it will be expanding services at its Detoxification Centre located at 240 Brock Street, increasing access to medically supported addiction care in Eastern Ontario, with over $1.8 million in new funding from Ontario Health. The Detoxification Centre is the only publicly funded withdrawal management centre located between Ottawa and Oshawa, and it is currently operating at a Level 2 medically supported model. With the new funding, it will transition into a Level 3 detoxification site with 24-hour medical services, enhancing the types of medical support available to clients experiencing withdrawal. MPP Steve Clark has launched a petition calling on the federal government to restore full navigation through the LaSalle Causeway in Kingston before the 2026 boating season begins. Clark tabled the petition at Queen's Park this week, urging Ottawa to install a structure that would allow all marine traffic to move between Lake Ontario and the Rideau Canal, arguing the restrictions have produced significant negative economic impact and warns that continued disruption risks permanently harming hundreds of businesses that rely on boaters. Habitat for Humanity, through its local affiliate, made a presentation to the Council of the Town of Greater Napanee yesterday, proposing the construction of a stacked 6-unit triplex. Habitat says that with zoning compliance and municipal support, it could proceed towards building permits as early as 2027. Under Habitat's financial model, home buyers wouldn't need a down payment, and mortgage payments would be capped at around 25% of gross household income, among other stipulations. Read more at Kingstonist.com. Kingston Police said that on December 7th, members of the Patrol Division noticed a vehicle with one inoperable headlight traveling the area of Patrick Street and Stephen Street at approximately 10 p.m. The officers observed an individual seated in the passenger seat that was not wearing a seatbelt. When officers searched the vehicle, they were found to be in possession of a quantity of cocaine, packaging materials, multiple cell phones, and a digital scale. As a result, the 18-year-old from Kingston was arrested and charged with possession for the purpose of trafficking, failure to comply with a Youth Criminal Justice Act sentence, and 2 counts of failure to comply with a release order. On Friday, November 28th, the Ophelia Club of Frontenac Secondary School hosted Girls' Night In. This event allowed 125 girls of all grades at Frontenac to get a chance to connect with one another through exercising brains and bodies. Ophelia Club is teacher and student-oriented, created to focus on making a safe space for the students of Frontenac. Students were welcomed in with karaoke in the cafeteria, icebreakers, to build connections with groups and leaders and attendees, and then the girls enjoyed a pizza dinner. For more on these stories and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com. Use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.